Can you delete iMessages from both sides? Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Business, and today I'll guide you and explain you if or how, or if not, you can delete the messages that you have sent on iMessages from both sides, if you can or not unsend it. Now if I just open up my iMessages here, and you can see I've sent a text. If I tap and hold it, it'll give me a list of options. If you tap on more option here, then you'll see that there is a delete icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. If you tap on it there, then it'll give you an option to delete messages. Now in my case, the message is showing up there green, which means it hasn't been sent yet. So if I delete it, they won't receive it. But if it has already been sent, and if you try to delete it, then unfortunately you can't unsend it. Even if you delete it from your side, it won't be deleted from the recipient's side. So there is no any option till now on iMessages to delete or unsend the message that you have already sent. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.